It's funny. He's like, hmm?
Hi everyone, welcome back to A&A Backyard Gardening. Today we're going to show you how to make mead part 2.
Hey everyone, so today we're going to just take a bunch of measurements of all of our meads and our apple cider. Since the last time you joined, we have 2 extras. We got mead made with apple juice and a hard cider going. So let's get started. Everything that I've been reading says that it's still fermenting, so who knows?
Action.
Start it over.
I can always edit it out.
Yeah, but you didn't that one time.
Action.
I don't know what to say. So we're gonna start off measuring this first one. And I mean, everyone knows. All right, so we got our sanitizing solution, a little pipette, and our refractometer, and we're gonna do some readings. And so the first thing I wanted to point out is we got 2 victims in the airlock.
That's gross.
Trying to drink our mead for
What
us.
is that?
They're like bugs.
Are they like gnats?
Yeah. So good thing we had those on. Alright. So all I do is reach in there, grab like a drop. Oh, we need a taster cup. Alright. So we just need like a few drops. Put it on our tester. I'll put the rest in there. Okay. Like 16.7.
Can I see?
Sure. I went down a little bit. So that's the first one. So since it went down, it's still fermenting, although it's tapering off quite a bit.
What was the original gravity?
The original is 31.2 bricks.
And this time?
It's 16.7.
You've done intermittent readings, correct?
Yeah.
So the last one was?
The last one was 17.6. So it's gone down a little bit, but not as much as the first week. Alright, shall we taste it?
Sure. It's not a lot of taster.
It's pretty dry and pleasant, kind of sweet.
Can something be dry and sweet at the same time?
It has the taste of honey, but it's very dry.
Very boozy.
You want to try some?
Yes, please.
Should be about 12%. So that's not bad.
Not bad?
It tastes kind of like the alcoholness of a wine.
And what I understand from what you've told me is that meads actually mellow out with age.
Oh yeah.
So right now it's, something like 12% alcohol, but it's very harsh.
Yeah.
Compared to what an aged mead might taste like.
So I think this one's going to be really tasty. I almost want to keep it plain.
Oh yeah.
See what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
It's
It tastes good, but it does have the burn of alcohol.
yeah.
And that burn, I think, is what goes away when you age it.
Okay, so now we're gonna do number 4. Keep a few drops for this thing.
So what's the difference between these first two? One had more honey in it, correct?
I think, yeah, the one on the left is supposed to be a sweet mead. And this one's supposed to be a dry mead. Okay. It's getting pretty low. It's gonna be like 14.7. You wanna look? So that one went down as well. Okay, now the next one is the one that has our cinnamon, 2 cinnamon sticks and a star anise.
And we tried this one, a week or two ago. And it had an aftertaste of black licorice, which I really like.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Kona's snoring on the couch.
Oh, yeah. It's starting to clear up a little bit. We'll get a little extra taste for this. Oh yeah. And that's at like 15 even. It's funny. He's like, This has been going for 2 weeks now. It tastes really good when we do the tasters, but it's not fermenting. So we get 3 tasters in this one.
I'm hoping it dropped a bit.
Wouldn't that be nice? If it got like 10% alcohol or something.
Because one of the things you added was some yeast nutrient, correct?
Yeah, I added some yeast nutrient to try and make it happy. But I don't know if it worked or not. Okay. I see a line, but
Oh,
it's
man.
way up there.
So previous readings have been completely off the charts, correct?
Yeah. So I'm gonna still say like infinite reading.
I would guess that it's about 36 or 37 bricks.
So there is alcohol in it. Finally. But this website I was reading about said that it might still ferment, just be really, really slow. So I think that's what's happening here. It's been going for 2 weeks, and these have been going for like 3 weeks. And after 2 weeks, they're pretty close to done. So we would think the same thing will happen with this guy, but it's barely done anything after 2 weeks.
So YouTubers, subscribers, if you have any experience working with a preservative such as potassium sorbate, send us a message, leave a comment on the video, give us some tips or tricks. We'd be interested to hear what has worked for you guys.
It tastes so good. It's even a little fizzy.
Oh yeah.
Just bottle it like that.
It's just like kind of fizzy,
It's gonna have like 2%
sweet
alcohol.
apple juice. Yeah.
All right, and then this last one is the cider that we started with the same stuff, which surprisingly has fermented just fine. So I don't know what's going on, but this guy last time was at 3.7% alcohol.
And we have kept some of that cider to back sweeten as well, correct?
Yeah. So when this is all done, put it into another thing and then double the amount of apple juice. It should taste pretty darn good.
So we're shooting to get a higher alcohol percentage and then dilute it a bit.
Okay. This is the one. That's a little difficult. Okay. I'm so tired.
Yeah, being a jerk at the dog park is exhausting.
Mm-hmm. Three testers of that one.
Last time we tried this cider, it was really good.
Yeah. Okay. It's at about 6 bricks.
Way down there.
Ooh. It's like really tart apple juice.
Yep.
Not as good as it used to be, but it's still pretty good.
I think once we back sweeten it, it'll taste really nice and carbonate.
Mm-hmm.
In a way, it's kind of reminding me of the tartness of an Angry Orchard.
Yeah, it does. Like the green apple one.
Yeah.
All right. That's pretty much it.
Thanks for joining us today. Be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll look forward to seeing you guys in the next video.